Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
A very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
We will wait.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning. We will wait 1 or 2 minutes, then we will start the class. Let everyone join. Be ready with your revision notebooks. First, we will write the tables. Then, we will move to the revision of chapter number 7, Jugs and Mugs. I will call the students' name, those who have completed the chapter number 6 revision. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, I will do and send you.
Yes. Please do complete on the same day.
Ma'am, I send you the Google form yesterday.
I will check the names.
Ma'am, we will do on the same page.
I have from this class only Dheer and Arush has done from this class. Only two students. What to
Ma'am,
do
I
with
have
the
done.
others? What about the other students? You don't want to do your revision also?
Ma'am, I'll send you.
I have not received. Can I show you my presentation? You want to see everyone?
I will show you today. I'll send you today.
Please, Aravapani, turn on your camera. Pritika, Pragyan, Asta, turn on your camera. And you are late, students. Two
Ma'am, I
minutes
am
late
from
in my
home, so I
class.
can't.
In phone also you can on your camera. And yesterday I have sent I have sent two revisions. One is of chapter 4 and 5, one is chapter 6. Chapter 6 only done by two students. One is Dheer and one another is Arush Miani. And there are 22 to 24 students are in the class. What to do? I stopped doing the revision, students.
I will send you that.
Please positively send me today. Send me before 2 o'clock. If you will not send before 2 o'clock, I'm not going to check it. Am I clearly audible to you all, right? So please send me before 2 o'clock today. If you will send after 2 o'clock, it will not be checked because I will get the worksheet with the timings. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This revision I am doing just because of you children only. If you are not paying attention, if you don't want to do it, then okay, we will stop it. So now take out your revision notebook, everyone, and please I request to 4B students join my class on time. Even a single minute late will not be allowed in the class. At least you should join the class 1 or 2 minutes before, not after the timings. Am I clearly audible? You all are clear?
You all are clear.
What the teacher want to tell you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take out your revision notebooks. We are going to write the table of 15 and 16. So start writing. Write today's date.
Ma'am, I can bring my book.
My dear Hia, please sit with the book only in the class.
Ma'am, new page.
Yes, Arav Apani, Vedi, turn on your camera. Vedi, please turn on your camera. Dheer, I want to see you. I don't want to see the doors and windows. Dheer, I want to see you at your place. Harsh Keshwani, please keep your camera in such a way so that I can see you. I don't want to see walls and doors and windows of your house. Okay, start writing, please. 15 ones are
50.
students. Yeah, please write 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. 15 fours are 60. Moin Kuledi, where are you? You are late in the class and please write in the notebook fast.
Ma'am, my laptop is not working today.
15 fours are 60. 15 fives are 75. 15 fives are 75. 15 sixes are, what is 15 sixes are, students?
90.
Yes,
90.
15 sixes are 90. Please write in your notebook. 15 sixes are 90. 15 sevens are 105. 15 sevens are 105. 15 eights are 120. 15 eights are 120. 15 nines are 135. 15 nines are 135. 15 tens are 150. Harsh Keshwani, I can see you are not writing.
Ma'am, I'm right.
Show me your notebook. Let me pin you till how much you have written. Show me. Okay. This much only I have done.
Ma'am, I am writing only in
When you are going to complete? Dhwani, you show me your notebook. Not visible. Yeah. Show me properly. Yes. You see, Harsh Keshwani, see Dhwani's notebook. She completed the table and you still on the number 2. Please write it fast now. Yes, Shivani, you have completed. Students, please show me your notebook now. Mohammed, it is not visible properly. Yes, we have good. Put it down. Dhwani, good. Other students, Hare, yes. Vedi, put it down. Shivangani, yes. Keep it down now. Arush, Dan, Lakshya, yes. Shivani, yes. Mohin Kuledi, sit with your notebook and please do it. Hiya, show me your notebook.
Ma'am, I am writing.
Done here? Harsh Keshwani, done? Okay. Yes, Aravapani, put it down, Earth. Yes. Asta, let me pin you. Asta, not visible. Not visible still. Coming completely blurred. Okay. I will trust on you, but it is not completely visible to me. Nothing visible. So, can I proceed to the next table? Okay. Shivani, can you tell me the table of 15 till 5?
Till 5.
Hmm.
16 ones are 6.
No, 15 only.
15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 6. 15 fours are 60.
Stop. Arav Apani. Started from 15 Sigza. Your mic is mute.
15 6 are 90, 15 7 are 105, 15 8 are 120, 15 9 are 135, 15 10 are 150.
Okay. Now please start writing table of 16. 16 ones are 16. 16 ones are 16. What is 16 twos are, students?
32.
32, not 36.
32.
32. And you all know, if you don't know the table, how you can make the table also? How you can make the table? By adding the numbers. 16 plus 16 means, yes. 16 plus 16 is the 32. So 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are
48.
48. Please write 16 threes are 48. And mute yourself, someone mic is on.
No, ma'am, 38.
16 threes are
48.
48. 16 fours are
64.
64.
yes, 64. 16 fours are 64.
16 5 are 80.
16 fives are 80. Please don't talk. Let others also complete, because I'm going to see your notebooks.
16 5 is 80, no?
16 fives are 80. 16 six are 96.
96.
96.
16 sevens are 112.
112.
16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 128. 16 eights are 128. 16 nines are 144. 16 nines are 144. 16 tens are 160. I will repeat again. Meantime, everyone has to complete it. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. 16 sixes are 96. 16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 128. 16 nines are 144. 16 tens are 160. Completed, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Hold your notebooks. Hold your notebooks, everyone, together. Harsh Keshwani, I cannot see you still.
No, I have written 17 also.
Very good. 17 we will do tomorrow, then you can check also. Hold your notebook, ma'am, Kuledi.
Mom,
Moment, yes. Dheer Kensara, Pragyant, hold your notebook, everyone. Yes. Put it down. Mohammed, no, Kuledi. Please pin. I am going to pin you. Yes. Okay.
ma'am, my
Arav Apami, turn on your camera. Yes, I can see you. Put it down, everyone. Yes, Earth. Keep it down. Now listen. I am going to present you my screen. We are going to revise the chapter number 7, jugs and mugs. Right? What we have learned in this jugs and mugs? Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. Yes, we have. What have we learned in this chapter?
We have learned liters and milliliters, how to plus both, how to convert also.
How to convert, how to add, how to subtract. This all we have learned in this?
How to multiply?
Okay. Now 1 liter equals to how many milliliters?
1,000
1,000 milliliters.
Half a liter is equals to how many
500
milliliters?
milliliters. Conversion.
Half a liter equals to 500
milliliters.
milliliters. And 1/4 a liter equals to how many? Raise your virtual and don't give me answer in chorus. 1/4 of a liter equals to how many milliliters? Mute yourself, Hare. Hare, 1/4 of a liter equals to how many milliliters?
1,400 milliliters.
My dear, 1/4 of 1/4 पूरे 1000 का 1/4 हिस्सा 1/4 of 1000 milliliters. Who will tell me? Yes, Mohammed Momin.
Ma'am, 250
Yes, 250 what? Liters?
milliliters.
Milliliters. 1/4 of 1000. If I say 1/4 of 4, so it will be 1. किसी भी चीज का 1/4 निकालते हैं, we have to divide that number by 4. When you divide 1000 by 4, you will get 250. Always divide by 4 when you are finding the 1/4. Always divide by 2 when you are finding the half. Hare, pay attention in the class.
When we were doing fraction, it was okay. When we did fractions chapter, when we did fractions, then everybody forgot.
Yeah. When you were doing jugs and mugs, then it was okay. Now coming to the higher chapters and the next topics, you are forgetting the previous ones. Okay, whenever I already told you, whenever you are finding the half of anything, divide it by 2. When you are finding the 1/4 of anything, divide it by 4. So the 1/4 of 1000 is 250. And what is the 3/4? 3/4 of 1 liter. How many milliliters?
750
Very good, very good, Earth Gujarati. 750 ml. Because 3 times when you add 250 plus 250 plus 250, 750. 3/4. How many 1/4? How many 1/4s are here? 3 1/4s are there. Then it is 3/4. Got it? And 4 1/4s make the whole. 4 1/4 makes the whole. So 250 plus 250 plus 250 plus 250 will become the 1000. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी भी whole चीज को complete thing को when we divide it into the 4 parts, so 4 1/4s make the whole. 4 1/4s make the whole. 2 1/4s make the half. 3 1/4s make the 3/4. And 4 1/4s make the complete full. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, now I am going to present my screen. We will discuss. If you want to write the questions, you can write. It is not compulsory from my side, but I will call your name and I will ask the questions from you all.
Okay.
But if you want to write, please surely write it. Because I am going to send you the Google form based on the same concept which we are doing today. So please complete all the revision works. How many milliliters are in a liter? Just now we have discussed. No, wait, I have a list. Yes. Shivangini, How many milliliters are in a liter?
Ma'am, 1000.
Yeah. Shivani, please don't tell her. She has to give the answer. So the answer is
Give. I am giving. She did
okay.
not tell me.
Okay.
Ma'am, I was
Next
writing
is
that.
next is Hiya. Which of the following you will measure in the liters? Water in a small cup, capacity of a water in a water tank, or cough syrup in a spoon? Which of the following you will measure in liters? A, B, or C?
Ma'am, the first one we have to not write.
You can write. You want to write?
No, ma'am, it's
Please
Ma'am,
write.
B.
If you
Yes,
want.
ma'am, I want to write the question.
Please write. How many liters, milliliters are in a liter? Can I move now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Here I was asking from you. Which of the
Ma'am,
following
B.
you will measure in liters?
B.
B. What is the B? Can you read it?
Capacity of water in a tank.
In a water tank. Yes. Okay. Just a minute. I will stop the presentation. I need to take the attendance. Okay. Now, for second question, please, if you want to write, you can write.
Yes, ma'am, I'm writing.
I'm going to the next question. Or either
Ma'am,
take
I'm writing.
either take the screenshots fast, beta.
Just a second, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't take a screen.
Ma'am, I got the screen.
Vedi completed. Your today's Google form is also based on the same concepts.
Ma'am,
I will call the child name. No one will speak in between. First, let me read the question. Which of the following you will measure in milliliters? Water in a bucket, oil in an oil tank, eye drop in an eyedropper. Arav Hapani. Which of the following you will measure in the milliliters?
Ma'am, I drop in an eyedropper.
Yes. Eye drop in an eyedropper. Next is Lakshya Dola. Half of a liter equals to dash milliliters.
Ma'am,
I
you
hope.
can show 500.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you can show.
Please don't move it.
Please write. Now I am moving.
No, ma'am, I was right.
Please little faster, my dear. First, let me discuss all the questions. Then with those who are writing, I will show them again. Okay? Let me discuss all the questions first. This we have discussed with the
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshya. Half of a liter equals to 500
100.
milliliters. Yes. Now question number 4. Listen it very carefully. Just a minute. Total water used by a family for various activities is as follows. Find the total water used. Find the total fast. I will call anyone's name first. Everyone has to
Everyone
find
has
out. Cooking and
cooking
drink.
and drink.
Mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Cooking and
Cooking and
drinking.
drink.
Dhwani says only.
Dhwani, please mute your mic.
I want to add
No,
something.
my.
Ma'am, we have to make this box.
First of all, mute your mic, everyone. As I told, first let me discuss. Don't write right now. Those who are writing, I will present them again. So, cooking and drinking, they are using 30 liters. For washing clothes, 40 liters. Cleaning pots and pans, 20 liters. And for bathing, 75 liters. So, how much total they are using in a day?
165 liter.
Is it correct, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the answer is 165 liters. And how you calculate it? By adding all the liters. Now 250 ml plus 100 ml plus 350 ml plus dash equals to 1 liter. This answer will be given by Krishav Huria if he is there in the class. Krishav. Moin Kuledi.
Yes, ma'am.
What will come in the dash? $250 ml plus 100 ml plus 350 ml plus what? So that it will be equals to 1 liter, which is 1000 milliliters. So dash में क्या आएगा मोइन कुलेदी?
Ma'am, by mistakenly I.
Can you give me the answer, Moin?
Yes.
Please give me fast.
Ma'am, 700 ml.
700 is the total. Total will not come here. The missing value will come here, bacha.
Ma'am, 200.
No. You said 250 plus 100 plus 350 is the 700. So what will come here to make it 1000? Asta, what will come here?
Ma'am, 300.
Ma'am, 300.
That's
300.
300.
300.
And
Those who are saying 400, 200,
400 will come.
400 wrong.
Ma'am, 300.
300 will come. Because out of total 1700 ml is already there. So the missing is 300.
Ma'am, yes, 300.
Julie oils pouring juice from a 1 liter full jug into glasses. If the capacity of a glass is 200 ml, how many glasses will be completely filled?
5.
So,
5.
how many glasses she will fill to make the 1000?
5.
Yes, 5 glasses. Just a minute. Amina water bottle holds 1 liter of water. She drank 250 milliliter of water and her friend Govind drank 150 milliliter. How much water is left in her bottle?
Ma'am, 600 milliliter.
Very good. So 250 plus 150 is 400 milliliter. And out of 1000 milliliters, if we subtract 400 milliliter, we will get the 600 milliliters. Everyone is clear with the question? Can I move to the next questions?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show all the questions?
Radha's grandma was was in the doctor gave her a bottle with 200 milliliter of medicine. She has to take the medicine every morning for 10 days. How many milliliters of medicine does she have to take every morning?
20 milliliter.
20. Because the complete bottle of was 200 milliliter and she has to finish that in 10 days. So it will be 20. Yusuf runs a tea shop. For making a glass of tea, he uses 20 milliliter of milk. Yesterday, he made 100 glasses of tea. How much milk did he use?
Ma'am, 200.
2 liter.
2 liter.
2 liter.
2 liter.
He used how much he used in a day?
Ma'am,
For making a glass of tea.
2
One
ml.
glass he used
20 ml.
20.
20 ml.
ma'am, 2 liter.
Then-
2 liter.
Okay.
2 liters.
So 20 multiplied by, we will do the 100, we will get the answer. Is the another screen is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Water in the
the question in the class.
What happened?
You showed the last one.
You
That
want
you
to
want-
see which last one?
No, ma'am. Before that screen, you said no. First, we will discuss the answer. So I have not written any question.
Okay. You want to write?
Ma'am, me also.
Which question you all are on?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 5th.
Second is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Writing.
Please write fast. In the second one, only write the correct option. No need to write all the three.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, my dear, speak. When I present the screen, I am not able to see which child is talking.
Ma'am, I thought I have a network issue. I cannot hear you. That's why.
What?
Ma'am, I thought I have a network issue. That's why. I cannot hear you. That's why I was checking.
Can I move to the next question now?
Ma'am, I'm writing.
My dear, if you write so much slow, you will not able to complete then. I'm going to move it on the third now.
Ma'am, please show 5th one.
Let everyone complete the third one. Can I move?
No, ma'am.
Be little fast.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can show second one. No, ma'am, I'm writing.
Here, write the third one. Leave the space for the second one. I'm moving now.
No, ma'am. I'm writing.
The bacha, you will not able to complete then.
Ma'am,
You need to be quick.
I'll click a screenshot. Just a second.
Please click fast. Only write the answers along with the question. No need to write all the options. And mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Someone mic is on.
Ritika, your mic is on.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you can do third one answer.
Kia, very slow, bacha. Then you will not able to complete it. Don't write all the options. Write the only correct answer along with it. And don't worry, that concept will be same. I'm going to send you the worksheet today.
Okay, ma'am.
On the same concepts, you are going to get the worksheet today.
Ma'am, so
Fifth one, no need to write this much big question. Leave it. Write the sixth one.
Show the fourth one.
Half a liter.
Ma'am, we don't have to write fifth one.
No, it's big. But the concept you are clear, no? No need to write it. It's big question.
Gine fourth thai.
Please stop, Shivani.
Yes, ma'am. And I was writing.
ma'am, show 7.
Now I'm going to stop it. I'm going to, as I already told, that I'm going to send you the worksheet based on the concepts. So it's okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.